Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Great Wealth, where we talk about forex trading. How can we trade forex with the help of expert advisors and robots? Guys, this video is about Hedge Expert Advisor, which is our one of the oldest expert advisor that we have traded for so long in the past. And this account is on demo account because, as I mentioned in my previous videos, that we stopped trading on real accounts in the month of October. We cannot trade with all the expert advisor all the time, but we are trading with the expert advisor. Very few expert advisors, just one or two, during these volatile moments as the US elections were about to happen, and 3 to 4 weeks before and 3 to 4 weeks after was very a difficult time, or could be unpredictable time. So we didn't wanted to take risks. So whatever expert advisor that we were trading in the past, we just thought to check it, like whether they are still working perfectly, or how they are going to uh, like react in such kind of market movements. Okay, so yes, this is the real demo account, and if you see the previous videos in the past, that were all for in the real account. Okay, so this one, uh, we are trading with pairs, five pairs, 5,000, and most of the people like who are using this expert advisor, I have provided them these presets. Okay, because it works very well on default settings. It works very aggressively, but with on the presets, this is a conservative kind of setting. Okay, so it will not be very aggressive, less profitable, but yes, comparatively less risky as well. So 5,000 on five pairs we started with on 14th of October, and today is 27th of November, and let's see. If you're using default setting, then ideally you should have 1,500 plus in your account for one particular pair, and 1,000 is something when you are using multiple pairs together and using the default using the presets. Okay, so these are the trading on five pairs. It is generally a scalper if you're using it as default, but on presets, it use can be turned into a conservative kind of stuff. So we just made 349 in a span of close to 5 weeks. If you see the running trades, these are few of the running trades, all on five pairs. Okay, it will keep on continuing generally like it used to trade all the time. Okay, and if you would like to see the MyFX book, so this is the MyFX book page, and okay, so far the maximum drawdown was 8.11%, and the monthly is around 4.67% using these presets. These are the conservative presets, I would say, and these are the running trades, as you can see. And in October, it's 1.47%. In November, it's 5.45%. Okay. So this is the Hedge Expert Advisor. And if you would like to trade it on, by default settings, it will be very aggressive, and we will be very profitable, and will be work as a scalper as well. But using these presets, it will be a little bit less risky, less profitable. And as you can see that in these kind of market situations, we traded with five pairs in last 1.5 months. It is like close to 5 weeks, and this is what the result is. So if you have any question about this expert advisor, you can contact me, and do mention Hedge Expert. In short, I mentioned here HGE just for my understanding, because there is a limited space, limited characters that I can put. So I just put like this. I just put like this. Okay. So if you have any question, you can contact me, and do mention HGE or Hedge Expert. And if you would like to see the previous videos that we traded in the past, you can go to the playlist. There is a link in the video description. Just click on that, and you can navigate to the playlist, and you can choose Hedge Expert, and you can see the previous videos on this. So that's pretty much it. And if you want to contact me, you can contact me via email or Telegram. Both details are in the video description. Also, a link of this particular, uh, I will mention the My Portfolio link. Okay. So if you can just click on that, or can just copy and paste in the browser, you will be able to see all the expert advisors that are attached with my FX book. And you can find this one also there itself. You can control F, you can do HGE if you would like to see this one. If you would like to see all of them, you can see them one by one. If you have any question, either provide me the name or either the link. Okay, so I would be able to answer you better that which one that we are talking about, and we will be on the same page. Guys, thank you very much. Thanks for being with me. If you like the video, then you can like or subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can share it across in case if you like it. If you did not like it, that is also fine. Thanks for watching this video. And in this on this upcoming Thanksgiving, I'm thanking you from the core of my heart for all the best wishes, for all the support, for all the criticism, and for all the love that you have shared so far. Thank you very much, guys, and I wish you very good luck in future as well as all the time. Thank you.